$12.5 millimeters. I need 13.5. 13.5. It's pretty rare to really need right down to 0.5 millimeter. Does it really make a difference, Robert? 13 and 13 1/3. No, 1/3. You need a little bit more. Gotta be exact. This could mean controlling the bike and controlling the bike.
Well, let's control the bike.
13.5 millimeters. Perfect. Give a little squeeze on here. No, don't torque it with these. Just not forget. That's right. Okay, guys. There's my little introduction to installing the left clutch side fork leg at 13.5 millimeters ride height from the top of that GP cartridge cap top. And now we're going to have to go over rebound and compression and get this thing all situated for Project Morpheus suspension for Morelix. Garage is looking pretty sweet right now, don't you think, Robert?
I do.
Yeah. I had some comments saying, he's like, that's an awesome garage. Makes me feel bad for how messy mine is. And I'm thinking, like, right now we're in the middle of this. Like, your garage is not set up yet.
It's going to look so good when we're done, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, we won't have, like,
The bed in the back.
mattresses leaning against the wall. The walls will be painted. The floor won't be this ugly yellow.
That's right. And we'll have a toolbox in here. So everything on these tables will be in drawers. This is awesome. But as you can see, the radiator is on. The bike is coming together. I got the one fork on, and check out the controls. There's the remote adjuster for the Brembo 19 RCS with the short lever, mind you. You got to get the short lever, guys. We got the triple top from Emrys to run the RCK3 ignition ECM. And then the dash to go complement the package so they don't throw a code. And oh, there you go. And we got the 717, so
yeah,
it's gonna be 767. 767 reminds me of my phone number. No, 769. Close. And yeah, got the rental sprockets. I like those sprockets. They're pretty sweet. And fairing stay, I'm going to throw that on next as well. And you can see here I have it just zip tied in position so I can find my roots for the brake line cable, which wants to do its own thing. You got to work with it. Clutch cable as well, rocking through. I usually attach them together and allow them to slide as you steer left and right. Oh yeah, we're going to want to put in the steering stops as well on in here by using... Oh, what you do is you take lead weights for your wheels and you throw them right onto the steering stop to extend it another, 0.5 centimeter. And here's Emrys. Emrys is down to a small little frame here and subframe. And it looks kind of funny, Robert, with just the tail on, the bodywork.
I know, right?
It's just bodywork, tail, and then frame and swing arm.
Not much left of them.
Then there's a wheel in the corner and a sad stand just hanging out, Pitbull looking at the wheel. And then as somebody commented in the background, there's my RMZ 450. Oh yeah, let's take a look at that. I like that bike. We got a lot invested in that bike. Not nearly as much as street bikes, but still, for a sport. Okay, well, I get back to work. I gotta throw on the right fork leg and get all the controls set up and put the ECM on and starting to button a few things up. It's coming along though. Day three. Tomorrow will be day 4, Wednesday. Hopefully the snow will be melted, so we're not trapped here in what is this holiday called?
Snowmageddon.
Snowmageddon. That's right. Okay, and there's my Seattle tools.